Hey guys, my name is Ava and today I'll be showing you how to make a tin can lantern, so let's get started. What you'll need is a tin can, a hammer, a nail, a marker, and a tea candle. So, first you're going to find where you want to make your first hole. I'm going to do right in the middle because I find that's a good place to start. So, what you'll do is you'll tap it really hard, like about 5 times. And as you can see, it made a small hole right there. So if you continue around whatever shape you have, you'll end up eventually with an outline. So just continue that all the way around. Once you have finished doing the outline, you can do the inside now. You can do it aligned or you can put them scattered around. Do it however you'd like. It's your project. So let's jump right into that. Once you put the holes in the middle, you've finished. All you have to do is rinse off the marker and then you can use it as a candle. I hope you enjoyed this craft.